Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I came up with this makeup look and I love the way it turned out. It's something different. I don't usually go this dark, but today I decided to do something different. So I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. If you do, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All right, let's just jump right into this makeup tutorial. Yay! So to start things off, I'm just taking my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Walnut. I'm just applying that all over my eyelids just to get my eyes all nicely prepped for eyeshadow. So to set my concealer, I'm just taking this microsmooth baked powder from the Sephora collection and just applying that over top of the concealer. I will be using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm just going to be taking the shade Riff and applying that into my crease. I freaking love this palette. It's so good and the colors just blend really easily, and yeah, it's just one of my favorite palettes. If you don't have this palette in your collection, you're missing out. Next up is Punk, and I'm just applying that in my crease as well, and this is just going to darken up my crease a little bit. So I'm going to be applying this dark brown shade. It's called Good As Gone. This has a little bit of shimmer in it. It's actually really pretty, but the camera isn't picking it up. And I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid. I'm first just tapping it on my lid and then I blend it out. I find that that just makes it a little bit easier to work with because I always have trouble blending darker shadows. So just tap it on first and then blend. Next up is this shade right here called Radio. It's like a greeny blue shade. I guess it's like turquoise. And I'm just going to pop that in the middle of my eyelids. And this is a really pretty shade. I wish the camera would pick up the prettiness of it. But yeah, I'm just going to be popping that in the middle of my lids. And then I'm going to take the shade Good As Gone and just blend out the outer edges. For my brow bone highlight, I'm just going to be taking the shade Breakaway and just popping that on my brow bone. For my eyeliner today, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink eyeliner. This liner is so good. It's very black and I definitely recommend it. If you haven't tried it, it's really good and it's really affordable. The lashes I'm popping on are in the style A03 and I just got them on Amazon. To give my skin a nice glow, I'm taking MAC Cosmetics Natural Radiance Primer. I love this stuff. It's a little pricey, but it's definitely worth it. For my foundation, I'm just going to be taking the KVD Vegan Beauty True Portrait Medium Coverage Foundation. Now this shade was sent to me a while ago, so I know it's really light, but I'm going to make it work because I'm just going to add some bronzer later on. So yeah, I'm going to make it work. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Concealer. I am running out of concealer, you guys. I need to go get some concealer because I am out. But yeah, I'm just going to be using this, popping it on my under eyes, my nose, and yeah, the usual areas. As for my setting powder, I'm going to be using my Holy Grail Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. I love this stuff. I know I always wear it, but it's just that it's so good and it's amazing. So that's why I'm always using it. And then for my lash line, I'm just taking Riff and just applying that on my lash line as well as punk. And then I'm just popping on some mascara as well. And I'm just using the Princess Lash mascara. Also, need to go buy some mascara. So to give myself a nice sun-kissed glow, I'm going to be taking Milani's Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow. This stuff is really nice. It has like little gold flecks in it, and it's really pretty. Then I'm just taking NYX's Matte Bronzer, and this is also a really nice bronzer, very affordable. It's matte, and I just love the way it looks on my skin, and it lasts all day as well. For blush, again, I'm using Milani. They have some of the best blushes. Definitely check them out if you haven't tried them. This one is in Dolce Pink. For my inner corner highlight, I'm just going to be taking the shade Breakaway and just popping that in my inner corners. Next is highlighter, and I'm just going to be using Wet n Wild's Precious Petals highlighter. This stuff as well is really affordable, and it's so good. Like it's amazing. One of my favorite highlighters ever. For my lip liner, I'm just taking Whirl by MAC and just lining my lips. And the liquid lipstick I'm going to be using is by Anastasia Beverly Hills in Pure Hollywood. Now I know this is another nude lip. I know I wear a lot of nude lipsticks, but this is more of like a pink, like a pinky nude. So it's not really nude, it's like a pink nude. It's different. And last but not least, I'm taking Milani's Make It Last setting spray and just setting all of my makeup, and then I'm just fanning it all out. It really does make a difference when you fan your makeup. I don't know why, but it just does. Alright you guys, so this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah!